there's no such thing as balance. Most of the time, hindi ako umuwi ng bahay. Most of the time, hindi ko siya nakikita. Ang bonding lang namin is Sunday. But the thing is, I'm building new businesses now. I have a lot of students in Ultimate Mastery, especially the Platinum members na sobrang tinutulungan ko na maging successful. To the point na one of my students are producing 900 million sales now and they are bound to produce 3 billion sales next year. But the thing is, if you want to be extremely successful, there's no such thing as balance. Sir MJ, bakit ganun? Parang hindi ka nauubusan ng energy. Gabi-gabi ka nagla-live. Ang lakas-lakas mo. Una, sanay na ako. Pangalawa, I have strict structures so that I have high energy all the time. And more importantly, I'm always tired. Hindi lang halata kasi sanay na ako. I'm always tired. I get things done regardless kung ano yung nararamdaman ko today. Wala ako sa mood, masama pakiramdam ko, may sakit ako. I don't care. I have a task, I have a goal, I will finish everything today. I will win this day. That's the mindset, that's the attitude. Siguro hindi ako yung tamang mentor sa inyo if gusto nyo agad ng balance. Pero, remember this, dadating at dadating yung balance. Dadating at dadating tayo sa work-life balance. Hindi lang ngayon agad. Pag nakapag-build ka na ng sistema sa negosyo mo, magkakaroon ka na ng balance.